This video is to demonstrate what information you can find as a CVHS student or parent using the CVHS student registration site. So you've been here before, or I'm assuming you've been here before if you've registered for a CVHS class. So the address is just cvhs.canyonsdistrict.org/register. And students log in with their username and password. This is the same username and password they use for Skyward and even Canvas. And once students log in, this is the information you see. It starts with student information, so I'm seeing my first and last name, student ID, date of birth, email, and the home school. If you click on more student information, you can see more information for the student you're looking at. And if you notice something is wrong, maybe an email address has changed, a phone number, an address, call the CVHS office, or you can send an email to cvhs@canyonsdistrict.org and let us know what information needs to be updated, and we can update that for you. And to make this screen smaller, I just click on less student information to minimize that window. So underneath the student information, you'll see something called My CVHS Classes. And this allows you to see any classes that are pending, so maybe classes that are waiting for counselor approval, we're waiting for payments to come in. Anything pending class-wise will appear here. The Current Class tab will show any classes that you are currently enrolled in. Completed will show you what classes have been completed. And then Other or Withdrawn, maybe a student has started a class, dropped it, it got put on hold. That's where you'll find other classes that maybe you're waiting to take. Under the My CVHS Classes, you'll see a section called Add Classes. So the CVHS policy is that you can only take 4 quarter credit courses at one time. So if you've already signed up for 4 classes, but then maybe you finish one, you can add another class here. And you'll only be able to sign up for 4. So I have 4 choices now because I can sign up for 4 classes. If I already had 2 classes signed up, I'd only be able to add 2 more classes. And underneath that section is the help ticket section. This lets you know what help tickets you've submitted, the status of those help tickets, and kind of a history of those help tickets as well. So you can even click on the title of the help ticket, and that will take you into what was submitted. So you can see any comments and the response to the students. So if you're wondering what's happening with a help ticket, has someone looked at it, you can use this help ticket section to give you some information. And you will see the status. So if it's processed, it means it's been completed. Pending team action is letting you know that someone needs to look at that. And then if you want to submit a new help ticket, the new help ticket button right here, it allows you to create a help ticket for the CVHS office. And that is a quick rundown of the CVHS student registration site. It really is here for you to use to get information about the courses you're taking, what information we have about the student, and also a history of those help tickets. And it allows you to look and see the status of the help tickets you may have submitted.